What if every choice you ever made exists in another reality? What if every path you didn't take is still unfolding in a universe parallel to this one? Imagine a version of you who took a different job, a version who moved to a different country, a version who became someone you wouldn't even recognize. This is the mind-bending world of the multiverse theory, the idea that our universe may be just one of countless others. Scientists use the term multiverse to describe a collection of parallel universes, each with its own timeline, history, and physical laws. Some universes could be almost identical to ours. Others could be unrecognizably strange. To understand how this might work, imagine reality as a giant tree. Every decision, every quantum event, every tiny possibility becomes a new branch. Your life moves along one branch, but the tree keeps growing in every direction. Quantum physics gives us the first clue. Particles can exist in multiple states at the same time, a phenomenon called superposition. A particle doesn't decide what it is until you observe it. So some scientists ask, if particles can exist in multiple realities, what about us? This idea becomes much bigger in the many worlds interpretation. It suggests that every time a decision is made, the universe splits. In one universe, you drink coffee. In another, you choose tea. Every branch continues, even though you only experience one. But quantum theory isn't the only path to the multiverse. String theory offers another possibility. It says the fundamental building blocks of reality are tiny, vibrating strings of energy. Its extension, called M-theory, suggests these strings exist on giant, multidimensional sheets called branes. Our universe, everything we know, might be just one brain floating in a vast cosmic ocean. If they collide, the energy released could create a new universe. Some scientists think this is how our universe began. And if brain collisions happen more than once, then reality becomes cyclic. An endless cycle of birth, destruction, and rebirth. A universe that never truly ends. Another model is the bubble universe theory. Picture boiling water. Each bubble that forms is like a new universe, separated by thin boundaries. Gravity could be stronger. Time could move faster. Atoms might not form at all. And we're living in one bubble, surrounded by countless others. All these possibilities make up what physicists call the cosmic landscape, a map of every universe that could exist, each with its own physical constants. Imagine a universe where stars never formed because gravity was too weak, or a universe where life evolved in ways we can't even imagine, or a universe where Earth exists, but humans never did. But the multiverse theory doesn't just reshape physics, it reshapes meaning. Think about probability. In our universe, probability feels like chance. You either win or you lose. You either succeed or fail. But in an infinite multiverse, every outcome happens somewhere. You failed in another. In another, you never tried. Then there's destiny. If infinite versions of you exist, then your life isn't a single path. It's one story among countless others. There's a version of you who became everything you wanted, and a version who became everything you fear. Now imagine this. What if dreams are glimpses of these other lives? What if déjà vu is your mind momentarily syncing with another version of you? What if intuition, that sudden feeling you can't explain, is something leaking through the edges of another universe? You made different decisions. You met different people. So the final question becomes, if infinite versions of you exist, why are you living this one?